In this video, we'll explore how AI actually works and uncover the science that powers the technology you use every day, from voice assistants to smart recommendations. AI runs on algorithms, which are sets of step-by-step instructions, similar to recipes, that tell a computer how to process data and make decisions. Some algorithms are simple, while others are more advanced. One of the most powerful types of AI algorithms is known as a neural network. These are inspired by how neurons in the human brain connect, and they learn by adjusting internal parameters based on examples and results. When these algorithms are trained using data, they become models. These models can recognize things like faces in photos, spoken words, or patterns in text. At the heart of all of this is pattern recognition. AI doesn't think or reason the way humans do. Instead, it identifies patterns in data and uses those patterns to make predictions. For example, when AI sees thousands or millions of photos, it starts to notice patterns like how eyes, noses, and mouths are usually arranged in a face. When it processes speech, it learns patterns in sounds that match words. When it analyzes text, it finds patterns in how words and phrases commonly occur together. By recognizing these patterns, AI can make educated predictions about what it's seeing or hearing, even when the information is new. These algorithms and models play a big role in how smart AI can be. The better the algorithms and the more data they learn from, the more accurate and helpful AI becomes. For AI to learn well, it needs a lot of information. This is where big data comes in. Big data refers to extremely large and complex sets of information, such as photos, videos, text messages, search history, or sensor data that traditional computer programs can't easily process. AI uses this data to find patterns, learn from experience, and improve over time. Without large amounts of data, AI wouldn't be able to recognize speech, translate languages, or suggest content you might enjoy. Once an AI model has been trained on data, it applies what it has learned to new situations through a process called inference. Inference is what allows AI to answer questions using chatbots or voice assistants, recommend movies, music, or products based on your preferences, recognize faces or objects in photos, and help navigate routes or suggest faster travel options. All of this happens almost instantly, often in the background. So, how does AI work overall? AI combines algorithms, data, and inference to produce results. You can think of it like this. Algorithms are how AI learns. Data is what AI learns from. And inference is how AI applies what it has learned. Together, they allow AI to perform tasks that make technology more helpful and intuitive in everyday life. To learn more about Lenovo AI PCs, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.